让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是Lim Zepsiu. That is Joseph Lim, my name in Hakka. And this month we're teaching you a phrase that's called if, 如果。那嘿，对，你有没有常常出国，然后朋友都会说啊，帮我买东西。
对啊，结果买到最后都是买别人的，重的要死。
我跟你讲，好朋友就算了，有一些是一年才见一次面的朋友，就为了拿东西而已。When you go abroad, when you go vacationing, a lot of times friends might ask you to bring things back for them. And let's put you in that scenario, okay? 就是开始会问说，你如果会去日本，可以帮我买东西吗？
他就告诉你，我下个月才要去啦。
Yeah, if you're going to Japan soon, can you bring me something? All right, can you buy me something?
那嘿，我去日本，做得老矮，买东西嘛。
买东西嘛，
对呀，
对不对？买东西嘛，that means to buy something for me. And if you're going to Japan,
日本
that is Japan right there. 好啦，刚好下个月会去出差 all right, I'll do it because next month I'm actually going on a business trip.
好啊，
捱下賺嘢，
我去出差，
出差就是出差 That's a business trip, okay? Yeah, next month.
下賺嘢
Yeah, that's right. 下賺嘢 that means next month.
下個月
Yeah, next month I'm going on a business trip. All right. 朋友至少会说谢谢了哈。
那我就要列清单。
我最怕听到这句话呢。可是真的会这样子，
不然我怕你会忘记哦。
All right, thank you. I'm gonna give you a list. Sometimes you hear that and you're like, you already promised, so you have to do it. All right, I'm gonna give you a list very soon. 怎么说？谢谢，我会列清单给你哦。
按字寫，我會列單誒，
本我。哎呀，这拿得很沉重。
按字寫，我會列單誒，本我。
列單就是一个列单。
对，列清單。
Oh my goodness. All right, I can see there's going to be a dozen of things that I need to bring back now. All right, let's review some of these phrases, okay? Including 买东西，that means to buy something. On a business trip, 出差，and to create a list, 列清单。
列單呢
And it's all about the phrase if that we're teaching you, and that is 如果。
那嘿
That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
只say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.